Well, the bed base is in and slotted together. It's not completely fastened together yet, apart from the central spine, which is sort of that bit there with the three cross members. That's what I'm calling the spine. They are fixed together. The rest are just slotted together. Just measured it corner to corner, and it's about a 5mm out of square, which I should be able to compensate for fairly easily. Fingers crossed. The bed is completely fastened together. Now I just have put loosely in roughly the positions that they are going to go the bed slats. They are closer together in the middle than they are at the ends, because most of the weight these are the wheels that I'm going to use for being able to move the bed outwards so it can be lifted. Just finished putting the wheels on the brackets this morning. Next stage is to drill them out and then drill the frame and put in 8mm bolts. One down, two down, three down, four down, one to go. 5 done. Now on to the next stage. To make the bed fit in here, this bit that goes up in here, I thought I was going to have enough room between there and there, but there wasn't going to be, so I've actually had to take that one off from that side. It was a pain in the butt, but I got it off. I'll wait about that mark there, it won't be hidden behind something else. This pine board, I have glued some 12mm ply framing onto it. That will be the other thing that is going to hide that black mark. It will eventually be screwed to the wall, but not until I know exactly where I'm going to need to drill it to put in the lift control bar. This is where the board will fit, so it comes up just below the window. Somewhere around this point here there will be a swivel bolt put through where I'm going to attach the control bar for the lifting mechanism. Had to be a little bit hollow because it's going to be protruding through the back a bit. I'm in the process of making the same one for the other side, but a little bit wider framing. This is the board for the other side. Literally waiting for glue to dry. I've done 2 sides and I'm waiting for the 3rd side to set fully. Then I will be putting that one in like that. May do that today, may leave it till tomorrow. Need wider here because of the white piece that comes down the side of the van. That has to fit around it. Again, somewhere around this point here, I'll be drilling a hole through for the lift control mechanism arm thingy. Don't know how to explain it. Okay, it's a slow process, but I'm getting there. The bed base is sitting there. I can't do much else with that until I get those boards that I was talking about installed fully. Same on that side. But I can't fully install those till I put the bed in place and see exactly where things have to go. All these little things slow things down quite considerably, but I'll get there.